Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you some of my fidget toys. Okay, let's start. I have more fidget toys, but I'm just going to show you some because I couldn't find the others. Okay, first I'm going to show you the little tiny fidget toys. So I have this little heart puppet with a dog. I bought it in Dutch Wonderland. It's very cool. It has a picture on it. And here I have this thing where you can push on it and the ball goes like here. Look, it goes like here to there, here to there. It looks a little shiny. Look at it. You like the shiny things? Okay, next. And we have this Simple Dimple Poppet. So do you know why I call it Simple Dimple Poppet? You ask why? Because this is a simple dimple. See, press and you can press it. It's so satisfying. And then you can press it back. Look what it sounds. See? And here I have the pops. See? Pop. It. Pop it. Okay, next. Isn't this coloring pretty? Get it. Okay, next. And I have this pink poppet. It does sound very loud, like very loud. Let me show you. See? And now I'm gonna show you this springy. Wait what's coming in the big pile. It's bigger than this. But this is a small springy. I got it on my birthday from the staff in Sky Zone. If you ever been in Sky Zone, leave a like. See, look, it says Sky Zone. Let me show you to prove. And it's a little blurry. Oh, here it says Sky Zone. Look. If you can't see, it's okay. Okay, next. We have this Pop Noodle. It's my favorite color, blue. And yeah. Gonna connect it back. Okay, next. The last poppet in the small fidget toy section is this burger poppet, and it's my favorite food. So here you can pop like it has like those picture burgers. If you look closely, pop. It's on the bad side, but it makes good sound. Okay, and now the big section. We have this pink squish, and look, you can actually put your hand through it, but you don't feel any jiggly thing. Look at this. Bum 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 bum. I can put it like that. It's like a bracelet here, but you can do this. You can do this. Oh no, I can't move my hand, only like this. Okay, next. We have this big, ginormous, springy. Let me show you some cool tricks with it. Okay, so you put it on your bed or somewhere like this, and then it goes like Ah, that's not how I want it. So it will go like that. It's very long. It's very, very long. It goes longer than that. But let's just move on. Okay. And the last Poppet in the big section is this ginormous mega Poppet. Look at it closely. Okay. Wow, it's on the good side. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye. Enjoy your fidget toys.